All right, Avery, we are going to do sink or float. Are you ready? So what do you think? You think the rubber ducky's gonna sink or float?
Float.
Okay, try it. What's it doing?
Floating.
Yay! Give me 5. Yeah. Okay, so we have, does it sink or float? And we are going to mark the sink. So we're gonna write rubber ducky.
Fan. Sink.
So the rubber duck floats. All right, what else do you have in your special Minnie Mouse bag that we can test if it sinks or floats? Let's take the rubber ducky out.
Yeah.
You want to try a nut? Okay, let's do a nut. Here, Mommy will get it. Here, come over here. Do you want to try a cashew? No? Do you want to try an almond? What do you want to try? What? Okay, you want an almond? You can eat that one while we test this almond. Do you think it sinks or floats, Avery? You think that one floats too? Okay, put it in. What happened? It sunk. Yes, so the rubber ducky floated. You put another one in there? Yep. A good scientist tries the experiment more than once. So an almond sinks. Yay! Nope. Okay, we're done doing that. Let's let those dry and you and Mommy can eat those later. All right, what else do you have in your fun bag? So almond sink, ducky floats. You have a fork and a spoon. Hey, stop. We have to test them. Come here. Come here, let's test them. Not yet, not yet. Okay, so Avery, do you think the spoon and the fork sink or float?
Sink.
Your hypothesis? My what?
Sink.
You think they sink. Okay, put them in. Yay! They do sink. Give me 5. Good job. So we're gonna write fork and spoon on the sink side. Here, let's put them with the nuts because all these things sink. And what's the last thing you have in your bag?
Yeah.
What is that? What is it?
Apple.
No, that's not an apple. It's a mango.
Is that go?
A mango. So Avery, is your hypothesis? Say hypothesis.
Hypothesis.
Good job. Do you think it floats or sinks?
Sink.
You think that one sinks too? Is it sinking or floating?
Sinking.
No, it's not sinking. It's not at the bottom.
Sinking.
No, a mango. Look, can you see it at the top? See, the almond goes to the bottom. Is the mango sinking or floating, monkey?
Floating.
Floating! Yay! Good job, scientist Avery. Yeah. So we found out that the mango and the duck floated, and the nuts and the fork and spoon. Oh, we have something else. Get it out.
No, get out.
Oh, okay. Okay, now we have a toy, and this is a wooden toy, right? Is this made out of wood? So, do you want to try this little red one, the circle? Do you think this sinks or floats, Avery?
Look.
It does float! So are you going to put it with the mango and the ducky or the nuts and the spoons? Which one floats? Did the nuts float or sink? Did the almonds sink or float? They sunk, yes. So did the mango and duck float? And this does what? No, it doesn't sink. It's floating, goofball. So we're going to put it with the rest of the things that float. So these things float. Do all of them float? Oh, it went to the top. Do you think all of them float? Yep, they all float. Good job. That's our sink and float experiment. Say bye. Bye-bye.
My mother.